So I have the Tello way out there. We're gonna go and raise it up. That's the reason why, like I said, if you're gonna buy a cheap drone, don't even buy it. And you can see I have the controller, I have Tello. It's blowing like a wind right now. I got the Mavic. Wow. And the reason why I'm saying that, look, I don't even have to touch the transmitter. See, I got the controller there, I got the Tello, and they're just hovering at the same time. So I guess you pay for what you get. Alright guys, you guys can see today is red flag, so that means the wind is strong. Now you guys can see the Tello is way out there. You see the Mavic AiR at the same time. Alright, let's go ahead and put them here. Look at these two guys. They're not even affecting anything. Now you guys can see. Wow. Mavic AiR. Now you guys can see that. Yeah, it's windy as hell. Right now it's blowing. See the Mavic AiR just cruising. They can go out there to each other without no problem. Wow. Look at Tello. Look at the Mavic AiR. Two drones at the same time. Wow.